RVs are supposed to be the ultimate adventure machines, but they're nothing but rolling disasters. From constant breakdowns to dangerous design flaws, these RVs are ruining the road trip dream for everyone. Before you even think about buying one, you need to know which ones to avoid. Let's get rolling. This could save you thousands. The Forest River Salem and Wildwood travel trailers rank among America's best-selling RVs, but their reputation for quality issues often leaves owners frustrated. While their attractive price points draw many first-time buyers, the long-term ownership experience reveals patterns of problems. Water damage stands out as a primary concern, with many owners reporting roof leaks within the first year. The thin rubber roof membrane and inadequate sealing around joints frequently fail, allowing moisture to penetrate and cause soft floors and wall damage. Perhaps more alarming is the common occurrence of delamination, where the exterior fiberglass separates from the walls, creating unsightly bubbling that's expensive to repair and drastically reduces resale value. The interior build quality raises additional red flags. Cabinets, drawers, and furniture pieces constructed from thin pressboard and plastic materials often break under normal use. Electrical systems prove unreliable, with owners frequently reporting issues ranging from flickering lights to non-functioning outlets and problematic slide-outs. Climate control presents another challenge. The minimal wall insulation makes these units difficult to heat or cool effectively, while underpowered HVAC systems struggle to maintain comfortable temperatures in extreme weather. While the initial purchase price may seem attractive, the ongoing costs of repairs, maintenance, and rapid depreciation often exceed any upfront savings. Prospective buyers should carefully weigh these factors when considering a Salem or Wildwood model. Those seeking a more reliable long-term investment might be better served exploring other options in the travel trailer market. The Thor Hurricane, positioned as an affordable Class A motorhome option, presents significant quality concerns that potential buyers should carefully consider. Despite its attractive initial appearance and competitive pricing, owners frequently report an array of troublesome issues that emerge early in ownership. Build quality consistently ranks among the top complaints. Interior components, including cabinets, trim, and fixtures, often show premature wear or failure. The use of budget materials throughout the coach results in rapid deterioration even under typical usage patterns. Of particular concern is the slide-out system, which frequently experiences alignment problems and mechanical failures. Some owners have reported dangerous situations where slides have moved unexpectedly during transit. Water intrusion emerges as another critical issue, with many units developing roof leaks shortly after purchase. The poorly sealed seams and subpar rubber membrane roofing allow moisture penetration, leading to widespread damage including delamination, mold growth, and structural deterioration. These problems often surface early in ownership, sometimes within months of purchase. Despite utilizing the Ford F-53 chassis, which typically offers reliable performance, many Hurricane owners report handling difficulties. Common complaints include excessive body roll, poor stability in windy conditions, and general handling challenges that make driving less confident and comfortable. While the Hurricane's initial price point may seem attractive, the frequency of repairs, ongoing maintenance issues, and rapid depreciation often nullify any upfront savings. Many owners end up selling their units within a few years, often at substantial losses. Those shopping for a Class A motorhome might want to explore alternative options that offer better long-term value and reliability. The Coachmen Catalina attracts many first-time RV buyers with its budget-friendly price point, but owners often discover significant quality and reliability issues that overshadow its initial affordability. The problems begin with fundamental structural concerns that affect the entire unit's integrity. At the core of many issues is the trailer's lightweight frame design, which tends to flex excessively during travel. This flexing can lead to serious problems, including cracked welds, bent axles, and uneven tire wear. More concerning are reports of walls separating from the frame, a major structural failure that requires expensive repairs. Interior quality proves equally problematic. The cabinetry and furniture, constructed primarily from thin particle board, frequently fail under normal use. Common complaints include loose cabinet doors, derailed drawers, and even collapsed dinette sets and beds, highlighting the subpar materials and construction methods used throughout. The plumbing system represents perhaps the most serious concern. Owners regularly report issues with leaky pipes, faulty fittings, and unreliable plastic connections. These problems can result in severe water damage, with leaks occurring inside walls, under sinks, and beneath flooring, often leading to mold growth and structural deterioration. Roof integrity presents another chronic issue, with many units developing leaks that can cause extensive damage if not caught early. Combined with minimal insulation, the Catalina struggles to maintain comfortable temperatures in extreme weather conditions. While the initial purchase price may be attractive, the Catalina's ongoing maintenance requirements and potential for serious structural issues make it a questionable investment for those seeking a reliable travel trailer. Prospective buyers might be better served exploring more dependable alternatives in the market. The Keystone Bullet markets itself as a fuel-efficient, lightweight travel trailer, but owners frequently report significant quality issues that challenge its value proposition. While its reduced weight may offer better fuel economy, this advantage comes with compromises in construction and durability. Insulation emerges as a major weakness, with the thin walls providing minimal protection from outside temperatures and noise. Many owners find their units nearly uninhabitable in extreme weather conditions, as the inadequate insulation makes climate control ineffective. The poorly sealed windows compound this issue, creating drafts and moisture problems inside the trailer. Structural integrity raises serious concerns. The lightweight frame design often leads to excessive flexing during travel, causing misaligned doors and problematic slide-outs. More alarming are reports of cracked welds and axle failures, issues that can create dangerous situations on the road and require expensive repairs. Water intrusion presents another critical problem. The roof's rubber membrane tends to bubble and peel prematurely, while inadequate sealing around joints allows moisture penetration. This often results in delamination, mold growth, and floor damage, all costly issues that can dramatically reduce the trailer's lifespan and value. Interior components reflect similar quality concerns. Owners frequently report failing cabinet hardware, broken drawer slides, and deteriorating flooring, even under normal use. The standard furniture and mattresses often require immediate replacement for basic comfort. While the Keystone Bullet's lightweight design and competitive price point may seem attractive initially, the frequency of repairs and potential for serious structural issues suggest buyers should carefully consider more reliable alternatives in the travel trailer market. The Jayco Jay Feather, marketed as a lightweight and towable travel trailer, has earned a concerning reputation among owners for its numerous quality control and durability issues. Despite Jayco's established brand name, this particular model exhibits significant problems that potential buyers should carefully consider. Water intrusion stands out as a primary concern, with many owners reporting roof leaks within the first year of ownership. The thin rubber roof membrane deteriorates prematurely, while inadequate sealing around seams allows moisture penetration. This often leads to serious complications including wall delamination, floor damage, and mold growth. Structural integrity poses another significant issue, particularly regarding floor construction. The thin plywood subflooring proves susceptible to moisture damage, resulting in soft spots and sagging sections that create unstable walking surfaces. This problem often appears even in relatively new units, suggesting fundamental design flaws. The slide-out system demonstrates consistent reliability issues. Common problems include jamming mechanisms, misalignment, and complete motor failures. The trailer's frame flexibility exacerbates these issues, often causing gaps around slides that allow additional water intrusion. Electrical system reliability presents ongoing challenges, with owners frequently reporting problems ranging from blown fuses and dead outlets to malfunctioning power jacks. The air conditioning system proves particularly problematic, with many units struggling to maintain comfortable temperatures and some failing completely within the first year. While Jayco maintains a strong presence in the RV market, the Jay Feather's persistent quality issues and maintenance requirements make it a questionable investment. Prospective buyers seeking a reliable lightweight travel trailer might want to explore alternative options that offer better build quality and long-term durability. The Winnebago Minnie Winnie, while benefiting from a respected brand name, has earned a mixed reputation among owners of older models. Despite its positioning as a family-friendly Class C motorhome, these units often present significant maintenance challenges that prospective buyers should carefully consider. Build quality emerges as a primary concern, particularly given the price point. Interior components show premature wear, with owners reporting warped cabinetry, deteriorating furniture, and loosening fixtures within the first few years of ownership. Wall and ceiling panels tend to separate due to adhesive failure, while flooring commonly develops cracks and peeling issues. The Ford E-Series chassis, though generally reliable, presents handling challenges that affect the driving experience. Many owners report excessive body roll and sway, especially in windy conditions. The suspension system, with its weak shocks and springs, creates a bouncy ride that can make long-distance travel uncomfortable without costly upgrades. Water intrusion proves particularly problematic in older models. The rubber roof membrane's deterioration leads to leaks, often causing hidden damage, especially in the vulnerable cab-over section. These leaks frequently result in mold growth, soft spots, and structural delamination that require extensive repairs. Electrical and plumbing systems show reliability issues as these units age. Common problems include faulty wiring, inconsistent generator performance, and plumbing leaks in difficult-to-access areas that can cause extensive underlying damage. While the Winnebago name carries prestige, older Winnie models often require significant maintenance investment to remain serviceable. Potential buyers might want to consider newer alternatives or different Class C models that offer better long-term reliability and value. The Fleetwood Bounder, while a recognizable name in Class A motorhomes, has developed a concerning reputation for reliability issues across both older and newer models. Despite offering attractive floor plans and generous living space, the motorhome's mechanical and construction problems often overshadow its benefits. Electrical system failures stand out as a primary concern. Owners frequently report an array of issues, from flickering lights and dead circuits to unpredictable power distribution and generator malfunctions. The root cause often traces back to subpar factory wiring and low-quality electrical components, leading to ongoing maintenance requirements and costly repairs. Battery charging problems add another layer of complexity, with many units struggling to maintain proper power levels for both house and chassis systems. The slide-out mechanism presents another significant trouble spot. Common problems include slides getting stuck mid-operation, misalignment issues creating gaps, and weak motors struggling to move the sections. These problems typically worsen over time, as frame flexing and structural wear affect the slide mechanism's alignment and stability. Water intrusion emerges as a third major concern, particularly around the roof construction. Poor sealing at seams and edges allows moisture penetration, leading to ceiling soft spots and wall damage that can be expensive to repair. While the Bounder offers an appealing package in terms of space and layout, its persistent mechanical issues and construction quality concerns make it a potentially problematic investment. Prospective buyers should carefully weigh these reliability challenges against the motorhome's features and consider exploring alternative Class A options that offer better long-term dependability. The Dutchmen Coleman Lantern positions itself as an affordable entry-level travel trailer, but owners frequently report significant quality issues that challenge its value proposition. While the initial purchase price may attract first-time RV buyers, the trailer's construction and reliability problems often lead to expensive repairs and ongoing maintenance headaches. Roof integrity emerges as a critical concern. The thin rubber membrane proves susceptible to damage, while inadequate factory sealing often fails within the first year of ownership. This commonly results in water intrusion, leading to ceiling soft spots, wall delamination, and hidden mold growth. The roof's weakness makes the trailer particularly vulnerable during heavy rain or snow conditions. Electrical system reliability presents another significant challenge. Units frequently leave the factory with concerning defects, including loose wiring, faulty circuit breakers, and inconsistent power distribution. Many owners report having to undertake extensive rewiring projects just to achieve basic functionality, adding unexpected costs to their investment. Climate control capability raises additional concerns. The undersized HVAC system struggles to maintain comfortable temperatures, particularly in warm weather. Some units reportedly arrive with non-functioning air conditioners, and warranty claims for these issues often face lengthy delays or denials from the manufacturer. While the Coleman Lantern's attractive price point may appeal to budget-conscious buyers, its ongoing maintenance requirements and reliability issues suggest poor long-term value. The frequency of repairs and potential for serious water damage make it a questionable choice for those seeking a dependable travel trailer. Prospective buyers might be better served exploring alternatives that offer better build quality and reliability, even at a higher initial cost. The Gulfstream Conquest, marketed as an economical Class C motorhome option, presents significant quality concerns that potential buyers should carefully consider. Despite its attractive initial price point, owners frequently report construction and durability issues that emerge early in ownership. Build quality stands out as a primary concern, with widespread reports of premature deterioration. Interior components, constructed largely from moisture-sensitive particle board, show a tendency to fail within the first few years of ownership. Common issues include loose trim, failing cabinet hinges, and furniture breakage under normal use. The prevalence of particle board throughout the unit makes it particularly vulnerable to moisture-related deterioration. Floor integrity emerges as another critical issue. Many owners report developing soft or sagging floors within the first few years, attributed to inadequate subflooring materials and poor structural support. This problem often compounds when combined with water intrusion, leading to potentially expensive repairs that require extensive floor section replacement. Water management presents ongoing challenges, with leaks commonly reported around roof seams, slide-out seals, and window frames. These intrusion points often lead to more serious issues, including mold growth, wall deterioration, and subfloor rot, creating a cascade of maintenance problems that worsen over time. While the Gulfstream Conquest may appear to offer good value initially, its construction quality issues and maintenance requirements suggest otherwise. The frequency of repairs and potential for serious structural problems make it a questionable choice for those seeking a reliable Class C motorhome. Prospective buyers might want to consider alternative options that offer better build quality and long-term durability, even at a higher initial cost. The Heartland Mallard, while marketed as an affordable lightweight travel trailer, frequently disappoints owners with significant quality and reliability issues that emerge early in ownership. Despite its attractive initial price point, the unit's construction quality and component reliability raise serious concerns for long-term value. Wall construction presents a primary weakness, with owners reporting inadequate thickness and poor insulation that results in excessive road noise and difficulty maintaining comfortable temperatures. The thin walls prove susceptible to panel separation and cracking, while interior components show premature wear. Cabinet doors frequently detach, table supports fail under normal use, and surface laminates peel away from counters and flooring. The HVAC system demonstrates consistent performance issues. Air conditioning units often struggle to cool effectively, even in moderate temperatures, while heating systems prove inadequate in cold weather. Fan motor failures are commonly reported, and some units arrive from the factory with non-functioning climate control systems requiring immediate replacement. Electrical system reliability emerges as another significant concern. Owners frequently encounter problems ranging from flickering lights and dead outlets to battery charging issues. These problems typically stem from substandard wiring materials and poor connection quality, leading to ongoing maintenance requirements and repair costs. While the Heartland Mallard's lightweight design and competitive price may appeal to budget-conscious buyers, its persistent quality issues and maintenance requirements suggest poor long-term value. The frequency of repairs and potential for component failures make it a questionable choice for those seeking a reliable travel trailer. Prospective buyers might want to consider alternatives that offer better build quality and durability, even at a higher initial cost. And we've taken a deep dive into some of the most problematic RVs out there. Now it's over to you. Have you ever had an RV that just didn't live up to expectations? Share your experiences in the comments. We'd love to hear your stories. And if you're looking for the best RVs that are actually worth your money, click here for our top picks. Your next adventure starts now. See you in the next video.